Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play the witness. To begin, you awaken on a vibrant, enigmatic island filled with hundreds of unique puzzles. Your main objective is to solve these grid-based line puzzles, which are presented on various panels throughout the environment. There are over 500 puzzles in total, each designed to teach you its own rules through visual cues and subtle environmental hints. Embrace curiosity and a willingness to experiment with different solutions. As you progress, you will encounter many different puzzle types, each with its own set of rules. These rules are never explicitly stated. Instead, they are taught through carefully designed sequences of puzzles. Pay close attention to the surrounding environment, as objects, shadows, and even the landscape can reveal vital information. For instance, some puzzles involve dividing areas, matching symbols, or even using the sun's position. Dedicate time to observing and internalizing. Special blocks and power-ups are your best friends for clearing tough situations. Don't use them impulsively. Instead, save them for when your board is getting crowded or you need to clear a specific, challenging formation. Each special block has a distinct clearing pattern, so learn how they work. For example, a bomb block might clear a 3x3 area, while a line clear block removes an entire row or column. Strategic use maximizes their impact. Beyond the main laser puzzles, the witness holds many deeper secrets. Pay close attention to audio cues, as some puzzles are entirely sound-based, requiring you to listen carefully for patterns. The island also contains numerous environmental puzzles, often called EP, which are hidden within the landscape itself. There are over 500 puzzles in total, including these hidden gems. Remember, if you get stuck, it's perfectly fine to explore another area and come back with fresh eyes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.